All right, so on this ceiling fan, we have a universal remote that came with this fan, but what ended up happening is our dog chewed up the remote, and so I'm having to replace the receiver and the remote with a new one that I bought off Amazon. And what I didn't like about it is it made this funny beep every time I would turn the lights on or the fan on. And so anytime you would press a button, it would make the beep. And so the dogs didn't like that as well. So I'm having to take the speaker off of the receiver that's making the sound. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. All right, just for reference, this is the new remote and new receiver that I bought off Amazon. Here's the model number. Here's the old one that the dog chewed up. All right, so normally this would be closed up, something like that. And so you take this off, just use like a really small flathead screwdriver, and you can just go around the sides and pop it off. But anyway, this is what the receiver looks like. And so what I did is I plugged everything up, and then I pressed one of the buttons and I found where the speaker is. And the speaker is right there, the little black circle. And so what I did is, this is the top of that speaker. That's right there is what you'll see without doing anything to it. And so what I did is I basically just broke this in half with a pair of pliers. And this right here is what makes the connection for the speaker. But anyway, what happens is when you take those two things off of the speaker head, it no longer makes the sound. See, now it no longer makes the beep sound. It's a pretty loud beep, but just wanted to put this video out there in case it helps anybody else. All you gotta do is take the speaker apart and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching.